Welcome back to Bilal Haider AI Studio. Yesterday, we learned about tokenomics, the backbone of every crypto project.
But today, we're going one step further. What are the different types of crypto tokens and how do they work?
Because not all tokens are created equal. Some give you access to apps, some give you ownership.
Some even represent real-world assets. By the end of this class, you'll understand exactly what category a token falls into
And why it matters for investors like us. What is a crypto token?
First, let's define it clearly. A token is a digital asset built on top of an existing blockchain, like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Smart Chain. Think of it this way. The blockchain is the highway, and tokens are the cars driving on it.
Now, let's explore the main types of tokens one by one. Utility tokens are the most common type. They give you access to a product or service within a blockchain ecosystem. For example, ETH is used to pay gas fees on Ethereum, and BNB is used to pay fees on Binance Exchange. The more people use the platform, the more valuable the utility token becomes.
Next, security tokens. These represent ownership of something valuable, like stocks, bonds, or even real estate.
Think of them as digital shares. They are usually regulated because they represent real-world securities.
A company could issue a token that gives you dividends, just like a stock. Governance tokens give holders voting rights on how a project is run. If you own a governance token, you can vote on upgrades, new features, or how funds are used in a project. Examples include UNI from Uniswap and COMP from Compound.
This is the idea of decentralized decision-making power in the hands of the community. Stablecoins are tokens that are pegged to stable assets like the US dollar or gold. Examples: USDT, USDC, and DAI. Investors love them because they protect against volatility in the crypto market. Now let's talk about the most creative category: NFTs.
NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, represent unique digital assets like art, music, collectibles, or even land in the metaverse. Each NFT is one of a kind, unlike Bitcoin where every coin is identical. Example, Bored Ape Yacht Club or Decentraland Virtual Land.
Some tokens exist mainly as rewards. You earn them by staking, farming, or providing liquidity to a protocol.
These tokens incentivize users to stay active in the ecosystem. For example,
liquidity providers on PancakeSwap earn CAC tokens as rewards.
let's not forget meme tokens. These don't always have strong utility, but they have massive community support. Examples: Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Some call them jokes, but their popularity shows the power of community in crypto. Finally, hybrid tokens. These combine features of two or more categories. For example, a token could act as both a utility token and a governance token. This flexibility makes them attractive in DeFi projects. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about all these token types?
Here's why. Understanding the category helps you judge risk, utility, and potential growth. Utility tokens rise with platform adoption. Stablecoins provide safety, governance tokens give you power, and NFTs unlock creativity.
As an investor, knowing the type is your first filter before diving deeper into tokenomics.
But just like tokenomics, token types have red flags too. If a project calls itself a utility token but has no real use case, red flag. If it claims to be a stablecoin but isn't backed properly, red flag. Always verify before you trust.
So what's the future of tokens in 2025? We'll see more asset-backed tokens, like real estate or commodities being tokenized. NFTs will expand beyond art into things like digital identity and certification.
And hybrid models will dominate DeFi. combining utility, governance, and reward in one package.
So to wrap up, tokens come in many forms: utility, security, governance, stablecoins, NFTs, memes, and hybrids.
Understanding these categories will make you a smarter investor and help you avoid getting lost in the hype.
This was Bilal Haider AI Studio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto classes. And tell me in the comments, which token type do you think has the brightest future in 2025?